Hey guys, I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to you and all of your family. And I just want to give a big thanks this Thanksgiving to you guys, especially my Patreon members and subscribers. And even if you just watch and like my videos, I truly appreciate it. I work really hard to try to bring you good content. A lot of the times it's really focused in one area or the other, oftentimes solar generators and such. But I truly do believe in emergency preparedness, and I do believe it is a great thing that everybody should do. It doesn't mean you have to go way overboard and do risky things in order to afford it. It can definitely be done as you go, and running a budget and stuff like that can help you get lots of powerful equipment like these solar generators that you see here. And I also want to give you a special announcement about Black Friday that's coming up. There's going to be tons of Black Friday deals going on. If you want to be able to take part of those, if you've been waiting a long time to be able to get a solar generator, especially with the kit, panels, cables, 100% complete, that way you know you've got everything you need to run your house or run your essentials or run your RV or whatever it is, then you want to make sure you go to poweredportablesolar.com. You're going to be able to find all of those kits. Everything is pre-made for you. Every single kit includes 100% of everything you need in order to get it up and running. And the number one kit that I'm currently recommending, but could change in the near future, is my Delta Pro 4800 240 volt system. This is one, again, I paid for this with money out of my own pocket. It's not sponsored in any way. And this system is capable of running my entire house with the big plug that I have behind these portable solar panels. And so literally I just plug straight into that, and I'm running my whole house, my well pump, my mini splits, my fridges, my freezers, everything. And on that note, one thing that's really cool, because I paid for this Bluetti AC500, again, out of money out of my own pocket, and I paid for this 240 volt hub. So coming soon is going to be a video where I take these two Bluetti AC500s with their B300S batteries, and I'm going to do a test running the entire house, and we'll see just how well they perform. And then, of course, many of you are aware that very soon is coming the Apollo. I am very excited about that one. Fingers crossed that it's going to be coming sooner than later. They did get a little bit delayed, but they are working hard to make sure that that comes out. I've also got a new unit that I'll have a whole other video about called the Mango Power E. I'm going to do a video just on a Sol unit first and then expand it to 240 volts. I've got, of course, my Titan solar generator. I've got my MPS3K. And there's even going to be deals on Harvestright, so I'll put links down below for that. Even on flashlights, you guys know that I like Olight. That's one of the main lights I go to. For example, this one right here is my Baton 3. I've had it for a number of years now, and I love it. You know, it clips right onto my hat when I need it. Stays nice and compact right here in my pocket. And I keep a charger in my truck, one next to my bed and one next in my office, so that way I can always keep it charged up and it's always ready to go. So thank you again so much for being a part of the Minuteman Prep YouTube channel, and a special thank you to all my Patreon members. I truly appreciate the support very much. It means a lot. And I want to hear from you guys. What kind of videos do you guys want to see? If you want more firearms training, or you want more food preservation, or if you just want more solar, how to take your entire house off grid using a solar generator system. That's going to be done anyway, but hopefully you get my point. I want to hear from you. What do you guys want to learn about, or just for entertainment, you know, see about? Maybe it's finances. I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor. So thank you again. Be prepared. One of the best ways to get prepared is to start small. Look at what you need and start with that. You don't have to get it all at once. So have a very happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys in the next video.